Hello everyone, welcome to Mobile Stickland. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the lens correction in Photoshop. So I have this beautiful portrait and sometimes you need to lens correct your photos and most of the time we use Lightroom, but Photoshop is also very helpful when it comes to lens correction. All you have to do is go to filter, then click lens correction. Sometimes when you correct a photo, the photo gets a bit squeezed and leave an empty frame. So you can choose either black or transparent. I'll go with black. The rest is simple. You have to choose the camera band and then choose a camera model, the dedicated model you shot your photo. Then you also have the option to choose exact camera lens. The difference is very subtle when it comes to changing lenses, but it is very important. Sometimes if you have shot something on an APS-C sensor, you can choose a full frame camera or change a photo to a different focal length from prime to a zoom lens. The difference is very visible and it might help you a lot, and that's basically it. So thank you very much for watching. I hope it helped.